In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable autocomplete in Outlook. This handy feature can save you time and streamline your emailing process by suggesting names as you type in the to, CC, and BCC lines. However, if you find it distracting, you might prefer to turn it off. Whether you're looking to make the most of this tool or eliminate it altogether, I'm here to guide you through each step. To get started, you'll first want to open your Outlook application. Once you've got Outlook up and running, head over to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Locate and click on the File tab. This will open a new window with a variety of options to choose from. Next, look towards the bottom of this window and select Options, which you'll find nestled within the left-hand sidebar. This will launch the Outlook Options window. Within the Outlook Options window, shift your attention to the left-hand menu once more and click on Mail. This section governs how you send, receive, and organize your emails, and it's where you'll find the settings we need to tweak for our autocomplete feature. As you glance through the mail options, scroll down until you find the section labeled Send Messages. This is where you'll encounter a handy setting called Use Autocomplete List to suggest names when typing in the to, CC, and BCC lines. Here, you'll have the option to either enable or disable this feature, depending on your personal preference. If you see a check mark in the box next to this option and you find the suggestions helpful, you're all set. However, if you wish to disable autocomplete, simply click to remove the check mark. Conversely, if that box is unchecked and you want Outlook to provide those helpful name suggestions as you compose your emails, go ahead and click in the box to activate it. Whether enabling or disabling the feature, this small change can significantly impact your email experience depending on how you like to manage your tasks. Once you're satisfied with your selection, the final step is to click the OK button, located at the bottom of the Outlook Options window. This action will save your changes and return you to the main Outlook interface. Now your settings have been successfully updated. Toggling the autocomplete feature can tailor your Outlook experience to better fit your workflow, making emailing either simpler or more streamlined based on your preference. Remember, these settings are always adjustable, so feel free to return to this menu anytime you need to make additional tweaks. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful Outlook tips and tricks.